Legal professionals, judges, traditional rulers and dignitaries converged on Ife Grand Resort in Ile Ife for the annual Law Week of Nigerian Bar Association Ile Ife branch. Professor Abiola Sani San, who delivered a keynote address at the event, believed that the unity of the country has to be restored through constitutional review and elite consensus.
The constitutional reform is a major one, but there are different ways of going about it. But the one that will give us a quantum leap is the one that will go to the roots, where we will re-examine what we have and then rebuild. Because if we are going about it in a piecemeal manner, which we call tokenism, it will take us for a very long time before we get to the destination.
Nigerian Bar Association President Mr. Olumide Akpata urged Nigerians to contribute their quota for the development of their country.
I don't think it's working for any of us because, like I said a few minutes ago, you can write anything you want to write. There are some countries, some nations of this world that don't have a written constitution. It is not about what you put down on paper. It is whether or not you have been able to build in your people a sense of nationhood. Our people, first and foremost, were not party to the crafting of this present constitution. That's number one. Number two, our people, most Nigerians don't have a sense of belonging. They don't feel they are part of this country. So they are not committed to this. Does the Yoruba man really feel he's a Nigerian? Does the Edo man really feel he's a Nigerian? If you can deal with those issues of national integration, with or without a document, we will make progress as a nation.
The chairman of Nigerian Bar Association Ile Ife branch, Mrs. Temitope Olajolo, said the lecture was essential because of the peculiar nature of nation presently, especially on politics and economy.
Our topic is talking about exploring the law for the use for true federalism. We're talking of how we're going to move the country forward. We're talking about the ideal country, because at this time it calls for concern. We want the situation where everybody is carried along in Nigeria, and that is what our topic is about.
The chairman organizing committee, Bonaventure Ibitoye Esquire, described the event as epoch-making and commended members of Nigerian Bar Association Ile Ife branch.
What you can see, the cream de la cream of society, traditional rulers, legal professionals, advocates of Nigeria, judges, and distinguished personalities that have attended this event. Rule of law and true federalism. Federalism is one that we have practiced in Nigeria, but we can always improve. And this is a step towards asking our leaders and those in charge of our affairs to make improvement.
Nigerian Bar Association Ile Ife branch annual law week scheduled for 3 days at Ife Grand Resort in Ile Ife. Abdul Fattah Owolabi, NTA News.